So these are going to be coming off today. And then as you can see from the title as well, I'll be installing this right here. This is the EGR pipe delete, which gets rid of this pipe right here that connects right here. I think that's your EGR valve, connects to that, to your pre-cat delete. I'm gonna be getting rid of that, putting this on. So before I get into this, I pretty much want to explain what the basics of an EGR pipe delete is. So pretty much the EGR pipe, it recirculates your exhaust gases back into the engine for emission purposes. Now I can't go too in depth with it because I don't know too much about it, but I do know this kit right here is supposed to delete this pipe, and it keeps the gases from flowing back into your engine. In return, it actually increases horsepower because it helps the engine run a little bit more efficiently. It only increases it to about 3 to 5 horsepower, so it's something that you more than likely won't even feel, but you know what I'm saying, it's still a power gain, so we're gonna go ahead and do it. And plus it's only like $40 and it's a simple mod, so why not go ahead and do it? So I got the spacers off now, the hood is back to looking normal, so now it's time to put the EGR kit on and get rid of this pipe right here.
Life is good. You know what I mean? $100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I done flew without Spain to be in my domain, automobile bitch. Dropped $3 on a ring, called it the truck, little bitch. I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same fence.
So the first thing you'll need is a 12mm socket to get these two bolts off at the top. Then you'll move to the bottom, and I believe you'll need a 10mm socket. That's what it looks like. But that's all you got to do. You just got to take these two off and then somehow get those two off. It is a tight fit, but it's real simple, man. It's just 4 bolts that you take off and then it'll come right out, and then you just put the kit on there. So we have the EGR kit right here. As you can see, you have the plates to block it off. You have the one for the top, which says P2R, and then you have the one for the bottom. And it also comes with nuts and bolts and a couple washers. So we're gonna go ahead and get this installed, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. So I finally got the EGR pipe out. To make it easier, you want to take your fan out, because when I was trying it at first, I couldn't get my hand down in there. But once I took that out, it was easier to get the bolts out. So now I'm about to put the plates on so I can block the hose, and it should be done. All right, so since I've done the EGR delete, my check engine light comes on P0401 or something like that, but it says EGR airflow undetected because I took the EGR pipe out. But yeah, if you plan on doing this, this is a possible problem you could run into, having the check engine light on. But other than that, as far as like a power difference, I don't even notice. Like I said, it's like 3 to 5 horsepower, but you know what I'm saying, I could take every little bit of horsepower I can get, man, because my automatic is a boat. This thing is heavy. The video shooting out, damn it, shot my cameraman. Okay, so I was going through K-Tuner and I actually found a way to stop the car from throwing a check engine light after doing the EGR pipe delete. So what you want to do is you want to go to the main parameters tab right here. Then you want to go down to disable and monitors. You want to go over to OBD2 monitors, uncheck to disable. So when you go to this, these two right here are going to be checked: misfire monitor and the exhaust gas recirculation monitor. Oh shoot, you want to keep that one unchecked. I didn't mean to do that. But what you want to do is you want to uncheck this one right here, exhaust gas recirculation monitor. And once you uncheck that, that'll be the solution to not getting a check engine light after doing the EGR delete. That shit sounds so good, god damn. So we back at the infamous spot that I always come to. You got the little LEDs that I just got?
Yeah, I had them for a while.
Yeah, them Jones. Yeah, them Jones sweet as shit. I don't know, I might have seen yours, or it might be somebody else with this, but like, I seen somebody with these the Accord, the temperature, right? Temperature sport wheels.
Right, these are Honda Sport wheels.
Yeah.
And I noticed a lot of people kind of upgrade the older car with the newer style wheel.
Yeah.
Just to, you know, spice it up a little bit. In my opinion, I feel like this wheel should have came with this car factory.
Yeah, definitely should have. It should have.
You know, it followed the lines with the way the window come down and the swoops and all that. It matched the style of the car.
Cause the wheels they got on there that come with them.
18s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They a little basic, but these right here, these ones like that. They 19s too, right?
Yeah, those
19s.
My 18s out with my man. I gave him my 18s to put on his hat. They actually look good on the hat. And I love these little cars. It's my first little Honda.
Yeah, that's the one thing about me. I gotta keep a Honda. Next car, I'm getting a V8 though, but Honda, that's definitely gonna be something I have. You can't go wrong with it. I mean, you get the reliability.
Exactly.
And then you get the little bit of power and stuff.